and girls, welcome to the first day of preschool. I know it's February, but this is the first semester. My name is Miss Stewart. Now, tell me your names. I start with the girl in the pink pearly hair. What's your name? My name, Lil Treasure. Oh, so sweet. Okay, I call on the girl in the pink skin. I'm baby Rebecca. Great. And the pink glitter. I'm Jenny. How about you and I guess I know others of your names right now. I have pink frost on Jeremy. Okay, let's see our first subject. At recess, I have slide. No, I get slide. No, I get slide. No, stop arguing. Come on. You both get the slide. Just take turns. Okay. Jenny. Jeremy. This my boyfriend. No, it's my boyfriend. I get to choose whoever I want. Guys, no fussing about who gets Jeremy. We find out after school. Okay, Jeremy, here is Jenny's mother's castle. What? Yes. Rebecca, can you come? Sure. Okay. Me do math? What? What? What in the world? Who says to do math as a baby in White Rock Castle? Okay, I'm gonna chat with Stanton real quick. Me get Jeremy? No, me get Jeremy. No, me get Jeremy. Stop! Stop! You might get a crush on somebody soon, Jack. Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going with Sweet Sensation. Me get Jeremy. Okay. Me and Stanton had a chat. And the girl who gets Jeremy is me, Jenny. Yes! Yes! Thank you! No! Ha 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 ha! jelly.